Nice fish. Nice fish. I'm thinking of Snooky. Where he did that. Nice fish. That's why I kept coming back over here. Nice fish. Nice fish. Does not want to show himself. Nice fish. Come on, let me see you, baby. Let me see you. Chasing him down. Nice fish. Nice Snooky. He's coming up. He's coming up. He's coming up. He's coming up. Let me see you. He's mad. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. I haven't seen him yet. There he comes. He's coming up. Big Snook. Oh, he's tangled up with some grass too. Trying to stay away from those rocks. I have to paddle backwards. I don't have a choice. That wind and him or her. Boy, he's mad. Or she's mad. Come on, baby. Come on, big girl. Oh my goodness. Look at the size of that Snook. Woo! Dude, dealing with that wind. Oh, what a mission. Let me back up. Woo, that's why I kept coming back over here. Woo, what a fight. The way she pulling drag. Look how heavy she is. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look how pretty this fish is. Oh my goodness. Look at the body on this thing. It's been a minute since I catch a Snook like this. Oh my goodness. I gotta put that net over there. Look at the size of this beast. So I can pedal back because... Oh, come here, buddy. Come here. Because I need to get the net out the way so I can paddle. Pedal back. Look at the size of this thing. Oh my goodness. I'm talking 20 pounds easy. Easy 20 pounds. Oh, easy 20 pounds. 18, 20 pounds easy. Look at the size of that beast. I don't know if he fits in the camera. Oh, the lens. Oh my goodness, what a beast. Thank you, Lord. Oh, it's been a minute since I catch a monster like this. Thank you, Lord. Relax. I got you, G. Look at the size of this beast. Oh man, that is sweet. That is so sweet. Freshwater Snook, guys. Look at this. Let me get him. Relax, G. Relax. See how long you are. Doesn't matter, but just to see. Oh, what a fight. What a fight. Just to have an idea of how long you are. Oh, I hate this this thing. I gotta get me a better one. Oh my goodness, look at that. We're talking 34 inches. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. 34 inches. Hey, get out of the rocks, Jose. Get out of the rocks. Dude, this wind is something else. I love fishing this place when the wind's like this. But it's a mission. It is a mission. Look at those boulders. I got you, man. I'm gonna let you go right now. I know you're alright because the water's nice and cold. I know you're all right. I got you, man. I know, I got you. I'll release you right now. What a fish. Thank you, Lord. Go, go, go. Thank you. Whoo! Oh, that was amazing. What a fight. What a fight. What a way to pull drag. Oh, it's been a minute since I catch a snook that size. A minute too long. Whoo! Sweet. Thank you, Lord. I love fishing this place when it's windy. It's hard, it's rough to fish this place when it's windy. But I do like fishing this place when it's windy.